Alright, hello, welcome everyone back to the channel for this week's progress video, looking back and updating some art that we did for Zapdos earlier on in the year. This was originally intended to be included in the art exhibition, but things got shifted around, didn't end up using them. But to not get too ahead of ourselves, thank you guys for tuning in, to those that are returning. Really appreciate you guys. The comments, the likes, everything that you're doing, the shares, I really appreciate it. Again, never thought, that would happen, but just wanted to say thank you again. And to those that are new, welcome. I really appreciate you as well joining us in the art journey, looking at a variety of different art mediums and as well anime, video games, things of that nature. Anything that inspires art, we're kind of taking a look at it. All right, without further ado, we're updating 2 portrait studies. This one here that you're seeing, it reminds me more of a mural, kind of graffiti inspired font, mural, then type logo that you can see with corner left, and then the smaller portrait study of Zapdos, very calm, tame, has a little bit more graphic elements with the blue lightning coming off of his eye to the right. So we're just updating those. This was the original plan, again, like I mentioned earlier, to have these in the show, and the thought was to do these at the larger scale with the added detail and ink, and with paint marker or pastel, things of that nature, just to add a little bit more refinement and handmade touch to the prints. Now lastly, we're looking at in this view in totality, seeing how these new prints on the new textured paper and this more cold pressed paper, you can't really see it here, but the Pikachu you see how those now work with Pikachu and the Blastoise box art reimagined, blue version box art reimagined, seeing how all those work together as a set of 2, as a set of 3, as a set of 4, seeing which ones work landscape, portrait wise, and then lastly, if it's more of a full image like you can see in the Blastoise box art reimagined, does that work better with something that it has more white space around it, like the portrait study underneath that one? Or does it work better with something more along the lines of the font in addition to the Zapdos to the left that I'm picking up? So that was the whole idea of this view here, seeing how they all work together as a set or 2 different sets, things of that nature. All right, I'll end it off there. Thanks again, everyone. Like I said, I really appreciate it. And we'll end off by saying, if you guys care for some write-ups, more pictures, detail, I have a newsletter linked below. It's still a work in progress, bear with me. I'm learning how to write creatively, but if you care to check that out, it is as well linked below. Alright, we'll end it off there. Happy Friday. See you guys in the next one. We're closing out the year on the right note, just with more art, more creativity.